Hey guys, welcome to this video. We are going to do exactly what the title says. We're going to design a leaf spring in Fusion 360. Alright, so let's launch Fusion. Yeah, so this is this is what I already made before. So finally our model should look like this. So let's make a new file and new component and rename it as leaves. Now create a new sketch on the front plane, right? The front plane. You could see my cursor, alright. Okay, I assume you could. Now we need construction lines so that we can use them as a reference to whatever we need to draw more. So toggle this construction and select line, and we need a horizontal and we need a vertical. Great. Now that they're ready, let's get into drawing. Select the 3-point arc, and if the 3-point arc is not visible in the toolbar, you can just go to create and go to arc, and you can find 3-point arc here. Great. Okay, no, sorry. Select the 3-point arc and click on the line here somewhere, anywhere. And the second point should be anywhere on this horizontal. The third point should be somewhere here. Okay, so we can see it's a construction line. We do not need a construction line, we need a drawing line. So select this line and discard this option. Now it's a normal line. Fine. Okay, it's still on, so I'll disable it. Now we need symmetry. Select this point and this line. Now now this arc is symmetrical about this axis. So if I move this point like this, even that right hand side will move. Right. Now let's dimension this. Okay, the point didn't click. D for dimension. Okay, fine. Give it dimension of 93 millimeters. Okay, 93. It's 9.3. 93. Fine. And here, see clearly. Select construction line again. The toggle for it on keyboard is X. So press X on your keyboard and L for line. And here at the midpoint, draw a horizontal line. Okay. So we need this for dimensioning this distance. So D for dimension. Keep it 14 millimeters. That's it. Now create another 3-point arc. Select the first point here and second point anywhere here basically. The third point here. Okay, it's still construction. Fine. Make it a normal line. Okay. Now select the dimension it as 2 millimeters, and you can even apply a tangent constraint here so that the line is a tangent to the circle or this part of a circle, but it doesn't matter actually. Anyways, let's do it. So tangent, now it's smoother. Okay, now we need the same thing here, mirror and mirror line. Let's select this vertical. Okay, that's done. Now we need offset. The keyboard shortcut is O, so I'll press O and select this whole. Okay, this part is not selected. Let's select this. Okay, fine, and give it a separation of 2 millimeters. Okay, 21, not 21. It's 2. 2. Fine. Now join the endpoints so that we get a closed area. Nice. Extrude this profile right now. You finish sketch and extrude. Give it -7 so that it goes backward. All right. And now, okay, that's it. Now create a new sketch on this plane and select, press P for project. P on your keyboard for project. Okay, P on your keyboard. Now if you don't, if you can't press P on your keyboard, just you can go to create and Search for project here. It should be here somewhere. Alright, here it is. P for project. And if you can't find anything, any tool or feature you need, but you know the name, but you can't find it here, so you can just search for it using S. Okay, press S on your keyboard and you can search for it, like say project need. So we get, that's it. Okay, now project this arc. Okay, the below arc from here to here, here to here, below arc, and okay. Now select 3-point arc and draw on this arc. Okay, first point here, second point here, anywhere. We'll dimension it later. The third point anywhere in the middle, anywhere actually, even here works, but see if it is outside. It should be on the arc, it should be on the previous arc. Okay, nice, it's coinciding, that's perfect, that's what we need. Now select the symmetry constraint again. Okay, we need a line for symmetry. Where did the line go? Right, it should be in here, the sketch one. Toggle the visibility on for sketch one. Perfect. Select symmetry again. Okay, it's already selected. Select this point and this point and the line. Now this arc is also symmetrical. Now dimension it. D for dimension, alright. If you can't find D, it's here. If you can't find here either, it's here. Dimension first point, the second point, give it the dimension of 3 millimeters. Also here it will be 3 millimeters. Automatical. Okay, now that we've done it, select O for offset, give it 2 millimeters, close this area. Great.